Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bepro once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So this is potentially a beautiful little setup going forward. It's all about this resistance. Okay, so we are putting in a lovely little W bottom pattern at the moment on Bepro, looking to break that, and I do think you get a nice little explosive break. But it's all about this resistance. If you break a key level resistance here for Bepro, this could be a fantastic opportunity, and I'm going to go through this with you. What I'm potentially looking at right now, okay, is the fact that you've come up in a potential. Let's show you right now. You've come in a potential 1, you've had your 2, and an explosive 3, and right now this is some kind of wave 4 pullback that's bottomed out, and you're looking for that explosive 5th wave, okay, wherever it takes you. I think I'm targeting around about 29 cents. At most, basically. It might run a bit higher, but we'll have a look at this, and this could be explosive right here. So a potential, Elliott wave count just there, possible, just there for Bepro. I do apologise about the noise. We've got building going on in the park, but I'm just going to show you something right now, that this is a key level of resistance for this particular project, okay, and this is a key level of support. Just here, you've got these wicks, look, where you're wicking down. So this potentially is some kind of descending triangle, which is not a nice pattern like this. You're coming up to series of lower highs, you're fizzling out, okay, and then you capitulate towards a bear, and that was potentially your top. But there is a possible scenario right now, okay, that this is the actual trend line, where the bodies and the closing and opening, look at that. So you've got a descending trend line. You see this, okay, and this could be deemed as some kind of bull flag, like this. So you've come up impulsively and you're correcting in some kind of little bull flag coming back to support. So like I said to you, it's all about this trend line here, okay, that's going to give the game away, whether or not this is a descending triangle or indeed some kind of bull flag. And right here, this is the bottom of the correction, some kind of ABC correction right there, okay, of a big wave 4 correction, something like this. You've got the 1, you've got the 2, you've got your big 3, you come back in a 4, and right now you're missing this final 5th wave. And if this is right, the technical breakout target for this is explosive, okay, and it could be one of the best trades I've ever given you, okay, and this is why I'm making a video for you. So again, no guarantees, but what I would say is that once Bepro breaks this level of resistance, this neckline, this trend line, not financial advice, but you could be in for an explosive time on this particular project. So I'm going to show you right now what I'm potentially looking at, okay, some kind of big giant bull flag like this, okay, and wherever you start to break out this resistance, this is where you're going to start to come up, and you're looking at, around about the top end of 20 cents. Okay, and if I drop the fibs on just here from this low right now, if I drop the fibs on, you can pretty much see that if we start to move this technical breakout, boom, you're on the 1618, you could be up there by July of this year. So this I'd love to come back to this video that I'm making for you. I would love to come back to this, and this has been one of the best trades I've given you, because from here right now, if it plays out exactly like I'm thinking it might do, given this structure, you could be looking at 8,508% upside. Now, one thing I'm going to do is look at the tokenomics to see if this is actually feasible at the moment, okay? So again, no guarantees, but what we're doing here is creating a lovely little reversal pattern, just there, W double bottom pattern off this trend line. Do you see this? You're coiling up as well in a potential bull flag. Possible descending triangle, but it's all about this resistance here. If you get rejected and start to roll and you come back down and retest these lows, this is negative market structure. This is your bear market structure, okay, like I've shown you in previous other videos for Bitcoin and XRP and things like that. But it's all about that resistance. If you're sort of sitting in the wings here, you're looking for a break, then once Bepro starts to come up and breaks out of this trend line, wow, for me, your technical target, a bare minimal, you're looking at that, aren't you? There's the 1618 and around about 31 cents, which could be absolutely amazing opportunity for all involved in Bepro. So tokenomics, is this possible? Let's take a look at some of the tokenomics, okay? Not Moonboy, this is just, technical analysis. You're calling up here. I see so many of these charts breaking out, and you see it coming up, and you're like, oh my God, were there any signals? Well, yeah, they're there, they're staring in your face. Just here, let's take a look at this. You're coming back like that, okay? And then you got the explosive breakout. Was there anything there to say that you was going to go to that target? Let's drop the fibs on. You can see, boom, you came up there to 2.272. You melted through the 1618. You actually ran into a little bit of resistance there and started to get through, but you met the 2.272. Now, I'm not going to say that you're going to come up to 2.272, because that's a whopper. That's $2.27. I'm not going to get that exuberant, but for me, my minimal target would be that the 1618 is always a minimal target of a break, basically. Come up impulsively, correctively, and once you take out that high there at 0.48 for Bepro, there is a high chance here that you could go parabolic, and that could be your technical target as that went parabolic in the previous upcycle before we have had this correction, okay? So again, no guarantees. The low right now is 0.232. If we fall through that, then you're continuing with the trend, basically. Do you understand what I'm saying to you right now? But this could be a beautiful little setup. This is why I'm making a video for you, okay? So yeah, I mean, hopefully, fingers crossed, we can come back to this video in July or later this year, and we can say, wow, look at it. It's played out, you know, and we're up here. What an amazing trade. Because from here right now, you know, that is a whopper. That's 8,404%. And you know, people don't think that happens, but it does. I've seen it so many times, you know, on altcoins especially. So let's take a look at the tokenomics and see if this is actually possible, okay? So looking at the tokenomics here, you can see that the current market cap is a measly $30 million. Okay, so this is not a sponsored video. You know, this is one of the things that the Patreons have brought to my attention in the previous upcycle there. You know, potentially this could be a fantastic project moving forward, Bepro, okay? The circulating supply at the moment is 8.45 billion tokens. So what I'm going to do is drop this into a token market cap calculator, and let's take a look, see if this is feasible. Now, I've seen a lot of projects go from, you know, a few million to billions. It happens in bull markets. So let's take a look at the tokenomics, see if it's possible, okay? So we know that the circulating supply is 8.45 billion tokens, and we know that the price target is 0.31 that we're looking at, okay, in this bull market. So that gives it a total market cap of 2.621 billion, you know. So it is absolutely possible, you know. Nothing is guaranteed, obviously, but given that, you know, market cap calculator here, and the fact that I've seen plenty of projects go from a few million to a few billion, this is a very possible scenario for this particular coin. But like I said to you, you know, nothing I say is financial advice. Everything is for educational and entertainment purposes only. But if you're looking for a conclusive break, wait till we break this trend line if you want to actually get involved in Bepro right now, okay? So hope you enjoyed that update. You know, hopefully we found a little altcoin gem for you moving forward, because in bull runs we do usually see blow off tops. You know, we do usually see these big mania blow off tops, and I'm hoping that this is a part of it, and I've given you a little altcoin gem here, which would be amazing, okay? So thank you for your support. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on Bepro. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.